Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. I said for you. We got something we don't ever have on the channel. We got the VWs. What's the VWs, T-Light? Read between the lines. Doofus Volkswagen boys in here acting a bona fide fool. On the street racing against a Beamer M2 competition. And you in a Golf GTI? Both of those is little doo-doo cans, but if you tune them, you build them up, you can easily get both of them to like 500 horsepower in a little compact car. Is insane. But them diabolicans out here doing it. They want to make a little bitty time machine. Can the boys in blue calm these wild VWs down? Or will the VWs make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Okay. We got the boys in blue look like they doing some mo-filing, because I know Dodge Charger lights anywhere. What they doing filing? They probably running his plate. He ain't even doing nothing either, man. The mo-filing gots to stop. Can't even take your Mopar out for a little cruise without getting mo-filed. That's crazy. He got to be running his plate. He ain't did nothing. Look how slow he going, too. He's scared to death. He's sweating like a man with his boxers soaking wet. And butt cheek. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's two of them racing? Yabba dabba doo! He said, forget the Charger. I got to get behind these guys. I know for sure that one in the back was probably like an M2. BMW M2 competition. He out of there. He gone. He got off on the exit. He said, I'm getting off on the exit. The slower guy got to get caught. Now they both up there racing. There they go. I thought he got off. No, he did. One of them did get off. I think that other one was a, it might have been a Volkswagen. I ain't for sure. I'm not for sure. One of them little bitty doo-doo cans. You know what I'm talking about. The little Jetta. The little things is fast. Not Jetta, the little Golf. My bad. I said Jetta. I meant to say Golf. Little hatchback. I mean, they tune those cars and they be pretty fast too. I've seen a couple of them in my area tuned up. They look good too once you slam them to the ground, put some nice wheels on them. I ain't got nothing against the VWs. This boy out of there though. I don't know, he is out of there. I think the Beamer got off though. I think he chasing the Volkswagen. They both, both of them had to be tuned. For them to be vanishing like that, he chasing them, it had to be tuned. I'm not so sure he even in an RT cruiser. He probably in a SXT, super extreme trash. He never stood a chance. He talking so low, I can't really understand what he's saying. His name Jackson. Come on, Jackson, put some bass in your voice. Come on, my boy. All I know is they said, body on earth, foot in hell. Devil, I give you my foot for freedom. That's not him, man. He thought he had him. That's not him, my boy. He tiptoeing in lava right now. He having a blast. He doing the Macarena with Lucifer. They down there playing dance hall in hell. Oh, did he find him? He said, hold on, now did he go to Chick-fil-A for some chicken? Come on. He tripping. Yeah, that's him. He tried to stop and get some Chick-fil-A. He said, let me go ahead and stop and get some Chick-fil-A. He can't keep up with me. I lost him. That's crazy. He tried to stop and get some of the chicken. He wanted to have the greasy chicken lips. He wanted a spicy chicken sandwich with some waffle fries and a tall glass of Dr. Pep. I can't believe the cop caught up to him though. That's definitely a GTI Golf. That's what it is.
a black Volkswagen.
VWs, they out here acting a bona fide fool, man. Who stops to try to go get some chicken? Can't believe he stopped to try to go get some chicken, man. It's nasty work. Lucifer said, hey, man, on the way back to hell, grab a bucket of chicken. Grab some of that good old-fashioned Chick-fil-A for us. He moving in that little car. It's got to be modified because they only got like 220, 240 horsepower, maybe 260 at the max from factory. They ain't got a lot of horsepower. I think got a 2.0 motor in it. I can't believe he tried to stop and get some chicken though. My man was saying, I'm gonna get some chicken real quick. I done lost this cop. He can't keep up with me in that super extreme trash. They got no respect for the officers, man. They don't care about them cruisers. They can't keep up with nobody, man. Get them some Scats and Cats, please. Get them some Mustang GTs, please. That's another cop trying to catch him. Look at, he got his foot all the way down. He definitely got his foot all the way down the hill. Look at how fast that other cop going. He flying. He should have been the one on the initial chase. Look how fast he moving. Dang, what kind of cop car? They must have called in the secrets, the Black Hawk unit or something. Nah, they ain't got no, where is this at? ASP? No, that's Arkansas. I don't think they got no Black Hawk unit. Go on, get you some donuts, baby. It ain't looking good, man. You almost had him for the second time. You fumbled the ball again. They gave you another chance to catch him, and you fumbled the ball again. Diabolical. You had another chance to catch him, and that 3.6 liter motor let you down. That 5.7 liter let you down. The Hemi let you down, or the 3.6. It don't matter. They both let you down. I hate when people be like, well, yeah, man, the Hemi got all-wheel drive Hemi. It's still a Hemi, man. It's still a Hemi. Meet me in the comments. Come on, man. I can't believe this, man. Why even get behind them in the first place, Copper? You knew you was not catching them. They was already doing probably, I'm going to say, when they shot past him, I'm going to go on a limb and say they was doing about 140, maybe 150. You was cruising at the max. I say you was doing 70, 75. Matter of fact, you was behind the Charger, and the Charger was going so slow because he was so scared because you was mofiling him behind him, running his plate like he did something when you know he just cruising. He just got off work. You trying to go home. I'm going to say big shout out to the Beamer boys and the Volkswagen boys for getting that cop off of that Chargesian, mofiling. He was mofiling that Chargesian, and here y'all come to save the day. The VWs made their debut, and we got to give credit when credit is due. Them boys do not play. You have never, ever, and I said ever, seen somebody stop at Chick-fil-A to get a chicken sandwich during a chase. Never have you saw that ever in your life. My boy was in one of those Volkswagen Golf GTIs, man. If you know what those is, let me see if I can pull it up. I'll see if I can pull it up for y'all. This is what the Volkswagen Golf looks like. For those who want to know what it looked like, didn't know what it looked like, this is what they look like. As you can see, real little bitty cars. They real like I said, little doo-doo cans. Look at that. 2024 run you $30,000. That's not bad for 2024. 12,000 miles. That goes another one for 25. Heck, that goes one 2015. 11,000, but it's got 100,000 miles on it. There goes another one for 17,000. But usually these is what you be seeing on the road. This is what it was racing him. Man, they got one right here, Slam. That one look real good. Slam with the little wheels poking out. Cool little interior for it to be such a little bitty car. Still got like a nice little interior on it and everything. Real nice. But yeah, they look good. And once they start modifying these bad boys, they be super, super duper fast. I usually see one like this one right here. This is what I usually see on the road, and I don't see nobody in them but Chads and Sohans, and I never see Leroy, you know what I'm saying, Dertavius. I never see us in them. Only Chads and Sohans I see in these. And, you know, they usually got about 200, 40, 220, maybe 260 horsepower. Nothing special. But once you modify them, though, you get them up to about 400 horsepower. 400 horsepower in something this small. Look, come on. Imagine 400 horsepower being in something this small. Insane. Insane. They say he was racing an M2 competition. Let's see if we can find M2 competition. That's a, bam, going in. M2 competition. Here goes the M2 competition right here. Little bitty, another little doo-doo can. But this one looked way more cooler than the other one. The other was like a little bitty hatchback. Little mom and soccer mom looking car. The M2 looked like a little cool little college student car. $65,000 compared to $20,000 and $30,000 though. Look how much that's a lot of money for one of these little bitty cars. A lot of money. Dang, look at the BMW M4, $100,000. M3, $94,000. Good God. But yeah, these some cool little cars though. Once you modify them too, man, them things is monsters. Super duper monsters though. But yeah, that's what they look like in case you want to know. Yeah, like I said, I don't even know why the cop would even continue to chase these dudes. You know they moving fast. Look how they just shot past him like he was nothing. Anytime you see somebody shoot past a cop and not care, that tells you something. That lets you know that they think their car is superior and they not worried about no cops. And he shot past, two of them shot past him. One got off on that first exit. He got off right there. The other one just kept on going. The Volkswagen kept on going. He wasn't worried. He said, I'm going to go ahead and shoot past him, keep on going down the highway. I'm going to get off and go get me some chicken filet. But yeah, this was definitely a great, great chase. It's just the cop you was out of your league, my boy. You was out of your league. And I know your feelings is hurt because you got smoked by two little doo-doo cans. Your pride is hurt. Listen, go wash your sorrows down with a tall glass of a donut shake. Get you 2 blueberry donuts and some hot coffee. And just think about where you went wrong. It's okay. It's okay. You're probably going to be on desk duty, but it's okay. With that being said, I'm going to slide on up out of here, man. I'm going to give y'all a little bit of positivity before we slide on up out of here. Drop the dead weight. It's time to drop the dead weight. What do you mean, T-Lay? I mean, drop the dead weight. The people that you've been kicking it with, that you know ain't no good for you. They just placeholders, wasting time. You're not getting no money together. Y'all not doing nothing but wasting time. They always negative. They don't bring nothing to the table. They don't give you no knowledge. They don't do nothing but waste your time. It's time to get your life right. Drop the dead weight. And I promise you, listen to your aunt, your brother, your friend, your cousin, your father, your teacher, your gym coach, whatever you want to call me, you know. Listen to me when I say this. Once you get that dead weight out your life, you're going to be so much happier. Listen to what I'm saying. But with that being said, I'm going to slide on up out of here because you know we don't condone running from the police. Absolutely not. We do not condone running from the police, but we do condone watching you do it. We do. I said we do condone watching you do it. Yes, sir. But if you do just so happen to have to run from the police, it's a possibility. Ain't nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect, and it is a recession out there right now. Got to get the money however you can. I'm not condoning it, but if you happen to run, get you a Volkswagen Golf GTI.